Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the differences between modular kitchen and carpenter made kitchen. So let's start. Method of manufacturing. Modular kitchen is the new method of building a kitchen. Modular kitchens are manufactured in factory and assembled in your house, whereas carpenter made kitchen is the old method of building a kitchen. This type of kitchen is made by carpenter at site, that is house. Quality and design. Modular kitchens are machine made, hence you will get superior quality product with perfect finishes and accurate dimensions. Whereas in case of carpenter made kitchens, the quality depends on skills of carpenters, but ultimately they are handmade, hence finishes will not be perfect and precise. Locally available carpenters may not be aware of latest design trends, so it may be hard to get them design something that is in fashion. Drawings and visualization. In case of modular kitchen, you know right from the start how your modular kitchen is going to look like. The companies would give you 3D drawing of the design. The final product would be what it looked in the picture. There is no guesswork and absolutely no hidden surprises. Whereas in case of carpenter made kitchen, the scope of having 2D drawings and 3D visualization is quite not possible, as most of the carpenters are not skilled in terms of software usage unless a designer is appointed. Assembly and disassembly. The parts of modular kitchen can be dismantled and reused at another location, whereas carpenter made kitchen cabinets are permanently fixed. Thus it is not possible to dismantle them and use again if you are planning to shift to another house. Edge banding. Modular kitchen has a technique of edge banding in which the sharp edges are avoided, giving the clear and sleek look. Whereas in case of carpenter made kitchen, some machine techniques like edge banding, membrane finished shutters, so on will not be possible. Additions and alterations. In case of modular kitchen, once you finalize the design and when the manufacturing starts at factory, you cannot change the design and finishes. Whereas in case of carpenter made kitchen, you can make any change at any stage while the process is on, as the carpenter does all the works in front of you. The alterations could be done keeping in mind your budget as well as taste. Time for construction. In case of modular kitchen, all the parts are already manufactured at factory and only assembling shall be done at site. It would take only a day or two to get the job done, hence it requires less time. Whereas it would take at least a month to get a carpenter made kitchen done. During this time, the house would be in a mess. Mess. In case of modular kitchen, there is no stress of carpenters working and creating a mess at home. No mess, no dust, no noise. It's easy and hassle free. Whereas in case of carpenter made kitchen, when carpentry work happens at site, the chances of flooring and walls getting ruined in the process is much higher. You have to be involved at every stage of the execution as well, right from ironing out issues with neighbors, breakages at site, noise, dust, cleaning up after the work is completed, getting your meals, and much more. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning and maintenance of modular kitchen is easy as compared to carpenter made kitchen. Please note, maintaining matte finished cabinets will require some level of effort, whereas cleaning a carpenter made kitchen is not as simple as cleaning a modular kitchen, unless one has opted for a detachable fittings. Variety. In case of modular kitchen, you will have a wide range of designs, finishes, colors and patterns, which uses straight line cuts and corners, giving a minimal yet luxurious look. Wall hangings, rotating tall units, lift up flaps, soft closing drawers are all blessings of modular kitchen. On the other hand, a carpenter would give you a limited number of design options. An ordinary dabba drawer, a cutlery drawer and a normal thali drawer, that's it. Price. Quality always comes at a price. So modular kitchen will cost you more than the carpenter made kitchen. The cost estimates given to you initially will not change unless and until there is a change in the design. Supplies are made to order and there are no surprises in the final price. Whereas in case of carpenter made kitchen, it is easier to play around with the budget because these carpenters are comparatively more flexible with pricing. A carpenter may quote you a lower cost in the beginning as the work commences and the material is procured, the quote may go high. So there is no guarantee that the estimate and end product will stand the initial quoted price. And one more thing, the carpenter won't pay anything out of his pocket. Now to conclude this, if you have the patience to deal with carpenters and the carpenter is well known who guarantees you to give quite good quality of work at your reasonable budget, then that would be considerable option to take into account. However, if you are looking for a flexible, easy to maintain kitchen with a smooth finish and good quality cabinetry, then you can go for a modular kitchen. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.